Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A53, and today I'll show you how you can insert your SIM card and SD card into this phone. Now before we get started, you'll need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box. Additionally, if you can't find it, you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Anyway, once you got one of them, you want to pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone. Now you want to use the pinhole that is closer to the edge of the phone instead of the one that is closer to the middle. As you can see, there's two of them. I can actually get focus on this. There we go. You can see that there is one right here and one right here. The closer to the edge is part of the SIM tray, which will allow you to take it out, and the one closer to the USB-C, the middle one, is just a microphone. So let's pop out our tray. Once you push the pin in, you will see that the tray just pops out ever so slightly, just to demonstrate that once again without actually blocking it. There you go. And when you take it out, on one side you have space for your SIM card. You want to place the SIM card with the chip side upwards or facing you, like so. And then if we flip it over, on the other side we have space for either a second SIM, which you would just place sideways, as you can see on the as you can see on this tiny little image, or you can occupy it with a SD card, like I will, by placing it like so. So anyway, let's pop it back into our device. And these cards should immediately start working when you insert them into your phone. And as you can see, SIM card is already working. It's asking me for my SIM pin, so I'll quickly confirm that. And I can already see that SD card is working as well. There's the notification for the SD card inserted. So there we go. That is how you can insert your SIM and SD card into this phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.